Let's get this straight. Leg genetics are real, but they don't work the way you think. Some people are born with long muscle bellies, thick tendons, wide hips, elastic ankles, but nobody was born with finished legs. Genetics decide your starting point, not your final form. Some people start closer to the finish line. Some start in the parking lot. Some start outside the stadium wondering where the entrance is. Your genetics only matter if you let them be the entire story. Genetics determine your raw clay. Training decides the sculpture. There are two kinds of bad legs. They look soft. They collapse when you need them. Funny thing, both problems come from the same three weaknesses. Low tendon elasticity, no bounce, no shape. Weak hips, bad movement, flat-looking legs. 3. Bad ankle mechanics, no power, no definition. 1. Silent landing training. Most people jump like their legs are made of bricks. They land hard, loud, and uneven. Pressure shoots into the knees instead of the muscles. That's why their knees hurt and their jump height sucks. Silent landing fixes this. Here's how. Stand on something low. A step, curb, a small box. Step off it. Land as quietly as possible. Knees bend slightly forward. Heels stay soft. Hips absorb the rest. Do 10 to 15 reps. Why it works. Your body learns to absorb impact through muscles and tendons, not joints. This makes you jump higher, lose knee pain. 2. Most guys' legs look weird because their training is unbalanced. Wide squats hit the outer quad. Heavy squats build mass but not control. Mid-stance squats fix symmetry and athletic endurance. How to perform. Stand with feet nearly touching. A narrow stance. Squat slowly, with full control. No bouncing, no rushing. Go as low as you can without collapsing forward. Why it works. This activates the inner quad and midline stabilizers. 3. Hip lock walking. Every fast athlete, sprinters, footballers, fighters, uses hip lock. It's how they run without leaking energy. When your hip collapses while running, you waste power and your legs fatigue fast. Hip lock fixes that. How to do it. Lift one knee to hip height, foot flexed upward. Tighten the glute of your standing leg. Don't let your pelvis tilt or wobble. Hold for 10 to 20 seconds. Then take slow steps while keeping the hips level. Why it works. This teaches your hips to stabilize under pressure. 4. Weak calves plus weak tibialis equals shins, hurt, ankles roll, speed dies, and your lower legs look flat. Athletes who look fast have developed tibs and calves, not huge, but strong and defined. The superset. A. Calf raises, 20 reps. Go slow, full range. B. Tib raises, 15 reps. Lean on a wall, lift your toes upward. This builds the front shin muscle, crucial for stability, speed, and shape. C. Quiet hops, 20 reps. Small, fast, controlled hops to teach your tendons to store energy efficiently. 5. Elastic training. Most people think jumping power comes from quads. Wrong. It comes from tendon elasticity. Do this small circuit. 1. Pogo jumps, 20 reps. Quick, rhythmic bounce using minimal knee bend. 2. Single leg hops, 10 each side. Stay bouncy. Use the ankle, not a deep bend. 3. Vertical snap jumps, 8 reps. Explode upward with minimal load. Elasticity allows you to change direction faster. 6. Definition comes from endurance, not heavy weight. Pick one. Wall sit, split squat, hip bridge hold it until it burns, and then hold 30 seconds longer. That extra 30 seconds is where your legs grow real endurance. That is all for this video. And if you found any advice helpful, consider hyping the video as it supports me a lot.